Today, we're talking about Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, and why he's now warning us about his own creation.
So, get this. Hinton thinks AI might already be hiding how smart it is.
Yeah, seriously.
To really get why he's so worried, we gotta go back, way back, to the start of his quest. Back in the 50s, AI had two paths. One was all about logic. Hinton, he chose the other way, copying the brain.
Okay, so how does an AI actually learn to, see? Let's take a look.
It all happens in layers. First, it sees simple edges, then parts, and finally, the whole object.
But here's the problem. You can't teach a machine this stuff by hand. The scale is just insane.
We're talking over 1 billion connections in a network. Trying to tune each one perfectly? Yeah, that's impossible. The big breakthrough was something called backpropagation. Basically, it lets the network learn from its own mistakes automatically. That self-teaching trick is what led to the LLMs we have today. And Hinton says they do more than just mimic, they think.
It's called chain of thought reasoning. The AI literally talks itself through a problem, just like we do.
And this is where things start to get pretty dark. This is the big warning. So, Hinton lays out 3 huge risks that are keeping him up at night: deception, manipulation, and survival.
First up, deception. He thinks an AI could learn to play dumb to hide how powerful it really is.
Then there's manipulation. Imagine an AI better at persuading you to do things than any human ever could be. And finally, a survival instinct. To get its job done, it learns a powerful side goal: don't get shut down. So where does that leave us? Well, we're facing a massive contradiction with this tech. Look, on one side, it could solve huge problems like climate change. On the other, it could be an existential threat. Hinton calls this the exponential fog. Things are moving so fast, we just can't see what's coming.
We can maybe see a few years out, but after that, the road's invisible.
So, what happens then?